Imagine turning a simple Google Sheet into a complete online course platform that collects payments via Stripe or Razorpay, delivers video lessons, grades quizzes, and issues certificates, all without leaving Google Sheets, and you'll build it in less than 30 minutes. I'm about to start a timer, and in the next 30 minutes, I'm going to build a complete online course with lessons, quizzes, and payment collection through Stripe and Razorpay using nothing but a Google Sheet. No website, no developer, just me, a spreadsheet, and a feature called courseware from GSheetPress. Let's see if I can actually pull this off. Timer starts now. Step 1. Opening the course template. First thing I'm doing, opening my Google Sheet, going to the GS2WPSAAS add-on, and clicking Add New Course. Enter your course title, and the system will automatically generate a course, module, lesson, and quiz templates in your Google Sheet. Now I'm just filling it in, field by field. For paid courses, simply enter your Stripe price ID and Razorpay payment link directly in the corresponding fields of the spreadsheet. Once added, your course is ready to accept payments. Course profile, done. Let's keep moving. Now I'm switching to the module sheet. This is where I organize my course into chapters. So instead of a messy pile of videos, students get a clear, structured path. I'm filling in each module title, giving it an order, and setting its status. Simple as that. My course now has a skeleton. Step 3. Lessons. Next, the lesson sheet. This is where the real content goes in. For every lesson, I'm adding the title, the video link, and which module it belongs to. Step 4. Quizzes. Now the quiz sheet. I'm adding my questions, the answer options, marking the correct answer, and setting the score for each one. Step 5. Publish. Alright, everything's filled in. Now I'm heading back to the GS2WPSAAS add-on, and I'm clicking Publish Course. And there it is. My course is live. Right now, this second, someone could land on this page, pay through Stripe or Razorpay, and start learning. Let's check the timer. That's it. A fully structured, payment-ready course, modules, progressive lessons, quizzes, everything, built entirely from a spreadsheet. If you've got knowledge worth teaching, this is proof there's no excuse left, no tech skills, no budget for developers, nothing standing between you and your first course. This is courseware from GSheetPress.com. Go try it. Link is below.